Fun Stories with Muskan and Sarah.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. What are you guys doing?
Walaikum assalam, Mommy. We are studying. There is a test this week in school, Mommy. And there is so much to study. I think it's impossible to complete this. It's so difficult.
Did you say Bismillah before you started studying?
No, Mommy.
See, that's the problem. Before starting anything, you should say Bismillah and then start. Then Allah will make everything easy.
Okay, Mommy. We will never forget next time.
Okay, great.
You should always do your best and put your entire trust in Allah. You should never say it's impossible. If you feel anything is difficult, then ask dua. And inshallah Allah will make things easy.
Inshallah, Mommy. We'll ask dua and we'll try our best.
Take a break for a few minutes. And then study again. You will be refreshed.
Okay, Mommy. Can you tell a story? I am very bored.
Sure, darling. I will tell a story of 7 sleepers of the cave.
Okay, Mommy.
Long ago, there was a Roman king named Decius. He did not believe in Allah and the teachings of Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him. During his rule, there were 7 young men of a noble family who accepted the teachings of Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him.
King Decius got very angry on them. He wanted to kill them. So he sent his soldiers.
These young believers ran away from the town. They found a cave and decided to take refuge in it.
We will take refuge in this cave.
They then prayed to Allah to save their lives. Allah heard their prayers.
When they laid down to rest, Allah made them to fall into a deep sleep for 300 years. Not even once they woke up. They neither ate or drank anything. They didn't even make a sound. They only turned sides in their sleep. Even their dog Kitmir slept along with them for 300 years, with the legs stretched at the entrance of the cave. This is a miracle of Allah. In the meantime, present king died, and the new king became a believer of Allah, and followed Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him. Allah then woke them up from their sleep. They stretched their arms and legs, and said,
"How long did we sleep?"
I think we slept for a day, or a part of a day.
I am really feeling hungry. I will go out and get something to eat.
They did not realize that they slept for 3 centuries.
Then one of the 7 young men decided to go out and get some food for all of them. When he came out of the cave, he saw that everything was different. He was surprised. He went to shop to buy some food. He gave silver coins to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper was surprised to see such old coins, and thought that the person found some old treasure. He then informed the king about it. When the king came to know about the 7 young men, he came on foot to meet them and take blessings. The story of 7 young men of the cave. tell us that if we put our entire trust in Allah, then Allah will definitely help us.
Mashallah! That is such a beautiful story.
Questions time. Now let's refresh what we learned. First one. Who is the evil king who intended to kill the 7 young men? Who were the followers of Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him?
It's King Desh's mommy.
Very good. That's correct. Second one. Let's see who will answer it. How many years that 7 young men sleep?
It's 300 years, mommy.
Wonderful. Now the final and the most important one. What did you learn from the story of 7 young men of the cave?
We learn that if we put our entire trust in Allah, then we will be helped by Him from unknown sources.
That's correct, Daddy.
Mommy, I won't be afraid of exams now. I will do my best. And put my entire trust in Allah.
Mashallah, my darling. Now say Bismillah and start preparing for your exam.
Inshallah, mommy.
Now I will complete reading my newspaper.
Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.